ग्रामसभेत मोबाईल टावराच्या सुरक्षेबाबतीत पटोवन दिवपाक अपयस आयला. खरेंच कॅन्सर जायना हे सिद्ध करपाक तांकां अपयस आयला अशी माहिती काँग्रेसीचे म्हणणारे अविनाश तावारेस हांणी दिल्या.
Many of these Gram Sabhas were not satisfied. I personally was there at the Benali Gram Sabha. I was invited there by some activists and friends. And I would want to give a brief on what happened, or rather three issues which concerned the people there, which were not addressed. The first is the health issue. Second is regarding trust. And the third is regarding Barcelona. You might be wondering why Barcelona, I'll come to that. Health. People there were scared about the rising number of cancer cases, which has not been explained by any authority in Goa. So the direct linkage or correlation was with mobile towers. India, and particularly Goa, had done no study to confirm that these towers are safe. We are all relying on international studies. The same experts who came across the panchayats themselves never did any study to check why cancer cases are rising in Goa. Our regulations are nowhere close to the levels of Australia, Russia and other Scandinavian countries, which was admitted by the experts. Yes, they are saying that they are following regulations of a body, international body, which is funded by the stakeholders, in other words by the cell phone companies. So are we to trust those regulations? At the same time they are saying it is safe. So if it is safe, then why do we have regulations? They could not answer that. They want us to wait for 20 years to see what are the effects, and only then they will decide whether mobile radiation is safe or not. Now the team which was led by Dr. Salkar, which is a shocking thing, who is the head of the BJP medical cell. This team belongs to a private hospital, not a government hospital. It was Manipal, both at Benali and Salkar himself was there. Isn't this, I would like to ask the government, isn't Dr. Salkar's presence in this a direct conflict of interest? Considering your government is funded very well by Reliance, your party's chairman of medical cell is going around vouching for that. We asked which are the companies that are setting this up. They had no answer. So people assumed, or people were led to believe that it is Reliance, because Reliance Jio had just launched. Other companies have been asking for towers for so many years. Government never responded. All of a sudden now they are pushing all these awareness programs and all these towers. They are not telling us the truth, which companies want to put, how many people are going to be served by these towers. No detail is given. They just want to fool people, stating that mobile towers are safe, they'll go ahead, give permissions. And we also know what the plan was. All the villages knew what the plan was. That the resolution we passed against these towers, the director for Panchayat, the opposite party would appeal with the director of Panchayat, and he would in turn overrule the Gram Sabhas and grant these permissions. This was the plan all along. And 1 month's time is given. 1 month's time would have been enough for that, to overrule the Gram Sabhas. Thankfully, none of the Gram Sabhas passed any resolution to say no to those towers. They have only said yes, provided they are temporary. So that is the sinister plan, and we condemn the workings of this government to push private companies, not BSNL, private companies as a means of their agenda. But what can we expect? Our PM himself advertises for such companies.